I could see this shift happening at CARR Machine. We were once servicing the commercial printing press industry, and when John came on board, we kind of collaborated a shift to emerging technologies. My name is Jim CARR. I'm the president and owner of CARR Machine Tool in Elk Grove Village.
My name is John Bilek, and I'm the sales manager of CARR Machine Tool.
I have a young team. They drive me to be better. They have great, different, articulate ideas about the way things should be.
Servicing companies like Virgin Galactic, Relativity Space, Boom, Supersonic. We do even some work for Tesla sprinkled in there too. So we about 50% of our business is aerospace.
The industries we serve is driving me to buy the new technologies. There's so many other mandated things that we have to do for aerospace. We have to provide certificates of conformance, AS 9102 first article inspection reports, material certifications, process certifications.
ProShop's really made a big name for itself out there, but ISO and AS, those certifications are built into our ERP system, and the customers love hearing that because everything we don't have paper travelers going around. Everything is fully traceable.
And then automation, it's going to give us a competitive edge. So we recently bought a Doosan DVF 5000 with an 8-pallet pool changer. We saw that we were doing a lot of precision 5-axis parts that would machine for 3, 4, 5, 6 hours at a time. And we said, why can't we just position 8 different pieces of raw material on a pallet and have it run? 5-hour runtime times 8 pallets, that's 40 hours, and that machine's gonna run without stopping. The next thing we bought was a RoboJob machine tending robot. It integrates with our Haas 3-axis CNC. It has automatic shunt vices that open and close when the door opens and clamps down on the vise. That too will take away some of the mundane tasks that a typical operator would have to run.
Going to IMTS and getting to play with some of these new robotic technologies, you might see it's actually not that scary, and just take the little bit of a leap of faith.
CARR Machine's strategy for IMTS 2022 is we're going to break off in teams of 4, and we're going to talk about what technologies we learned about and identify which ones really are going to be the best ones for our shop floor.
So we may be looking to a 3D printer or a new kind of CMM. In this industry, there's been lots of advancements in technology, and this is the best way to understand what's happening.
IMTS 2022 isn't just about products, it's about relationships. It's about getting back out there, meeting your peers, having fun.
It's also a good time to kind of continue to solidify your relationships with their vendors.
What I'm seeing right now is a paradigm shift in our industry and a paradigm shift in our company. I truly, truly believe that if we don't force ourselves, push ourselves out of our comfort zone to make those purchases, to buy automation, to integrate it in our shop floor, be more competitive. If you don't do that, you're going to get left behind. I'm Jim CARR.
I'm John Bilek.
You'll find us at IMTS.